Day 2 in the park.
Day 2.
Amanda, what hike are we going to do today?
The 4-mile trail hike to Glacier Point. But it's not really 4 miles. It's like 6 or something. Cool.
Yeah. We heard this is like 7 miles total, so
something like that.
We'll
5
see.
hours, I think.
Here we go. So typically to get to Glacier Point, from what we heard, you can take a road all the way up to it. It's a short hike to see out over the valley, but the road is closed. So now we have to do a 7 mile, 6 to 7 mile hike.
In 5 hours or something.
5 hours. We have to take the 4-mile trail over to another trail to get to Glacier Point. So this is our first day of elevation change. And it'll be a lot. Look at this. Woo! About 40 minutes in now. We're hanging in there. Starting to get some awesome views of the valley.
Because they are doing trail maintenance. So we have to wait for like 20 minutes. We should have like 5 minutes
Trail's
left.
closed for a little bit longer. It's closed? Yeah, just for a little bit. I'm waiting for my buddy to...
There's snow up here.
It's crazy. Look how far down.
Yeah. Whoa.
So many snow. Feels like North Carolina snow. What you thought was tall earlier is not even the tallest thing.
Yeah, we were talking, it's like from the valley you look up and think you see the highest things, but actually the Sierra Nevadas are like back behind. And all that snow is what's making those waterfalls. What do you rate the hike so far?
Oh. It was strenuous.
Strenuous, but the views are well worth it.
Yes, but worth it.
So it's a top hike. We're glad. Gail, shout out to Gail again. Gail is the best. She recommended this hike. This is not a bad spot to have lunch. Amanda?
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Yeah, it's a great spot.
Like they say, what goes up
Must come down.
Down we go.
Down we go. We have no water. We brought a whole camelback.
Yeah, we brought like 3.5 liters of water.
Plus
and
yours, plus 2 body armor.
that's what I'm saying. Like 3.5 liters of liquid, and now we have 0. So we're hiking back down with no water.
Or very little. Let's see what's in
Oh, we
here.
got some? Oh, we got a
swallows.
little bit. You ever seen Free Solo? Alex Honnold's protege right here. Almost. What did you just say? We made it.
That was a miserable down half.
That was the hardest downhill I've done. Yeah, we think the key is
Go early.
go early in the day, as early as you can. I'm kind of jealous of the people who are coming back down
Yeah.
at like 10 o'clock.
Because it was still shaded.
Still shaded the whole way.
But at least it was shaded on our way up.
It was shaded on our way up, but
But our legs hate us.
we're toasted now. Realistically, that hike took how long? Here, let me check my watch. This is timed for our hike, 6 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah. Counting 20 minutes where we got stopped by the...
20 minutes where we got stopped by the park ranger doing construction,
Yeah.
and then 45 minutes spent at the top.
Yeah. That's probably right.
So,
So that's like
hopefully-
over 5 hours.
yeah, it's over 5 hours. Hope that helps you plan your trip. We've done Angel's Landing and the whole way going up to it. We've done all the bigger hikes and arches. That was the hardest I've done.
Are we just out of shape, or is it just really...
We might just be out of shape. I don't know. We could just be getting older. Know that. So if you're a young person and you do it in like 3 or 4 hours, just keep your comments to yourself, okay? Another pro tip: if you don't get here early enough to park across from the 4-mile trailhead, you'll have to park at Swinging Bridge. But if you're noobs like us and you don't even make it to there on time, you're gonna have to walk a good ways to your car somewhere.